Conversation times.
Hi Marani. How are you doing?
Hi David. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions about time, please?
Yes, of course.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30.
What time do you go to school?
I go school at 6:45.
What time do you leave school?
I leave school at 11 o'clock.
What time do you arrive home?
I arrive home at 11:30.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:15.
What time do you relax?
I relax at 1:25.
What time do you go to school again?
I go to school again at 1:45.
What time do you leave school?
I leave school at 5 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 6:30.
What time do you do homework?
I do homework at 7:15.
What time do you listen to music and watch movie?
What time do you listen to music and watch movie?
I listen to music and watch movie at 8 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:45.
Thank you for your answers. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.